What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. It's a different day. So yesterday was Friday, which was the day we were flying. Today is Saturday, and you know, we're in Clearwater. Still got the AMG. Beach is over there, you know what I'm saying? There goes Chanel right over there. And yeah, so we just pulled up. About to shoot a lot of videos today, about to link up some Beemer Fam people down in Tampa. Let's go get some footage of the beach real quick. How about that? She upgraded to the Clown 12s. Oh, it's so
Sandals
beautiful.
are in the car.
Meanwhile, I got my socks on, digging through the sand. Man, it's gorgeous out here. So here go the 5 reasons why I love this car. All right, number 1 is that sound. Take a listen. This thing likes to crackle, pop, burble. The motor sounds damn near like an F-Type. It just sounds amazing, especially when you get to hear this car at higher RPMs. Red line is around 7,400 RPMs. It's one of the best and addicting noises you'll ever hear. I've pretty much been driving paddle mode, manual mode this whole time. I haven't really touched the automatic mode. Just because of that sound, I can control it so much and make pretty much music with it. All right, reason number two why I love this beast is, I mean, just how it looks. You know, you got the curves on the hood, front bumper looks right, the wheels look right. You know, you got the AMG sign on the side, and the car looks classic, modern, and aggressive, real sporty. You come to the back end, and the car comes with a rear diffuser, so you ain't got to worry about that. Exhaust tips are nice size, nice little lip on the top. You know, the car is great. You know, it's above and beyond like the cars like 5 years before it. This is a 2011, by the way. So, I mean, older Mercedes, to me, I don't like them. The interior, a whole bunch of plastic and just low-grade materials, but this car has real high-grade materials, and it just shows out. Reason number 3 is the heritage and the following. So those of you who don't know, you know, the C63 alone has a huge following of just fans who are just real passionate about the brand and who want to go above and beyond and take their cars to meets, car shows, that kind of thing, and just show it off. People link up, go on a highway, you know, hit Autobahn runs, Mexico runs with these kind of cars, and it's just cool to be driving something that has such a huge following. So when people see it, they're like, oh my gosh, it's AMG, it's C63 AMG. It's kind of like E39 M5 owners, you know, they have a certain following, or E92 M3, you know, they have a certain following. So, you know, that's the 3rd reason why I just absolutely love this car. So reason number 4 is definitely the interior. The interior on this thing is really nice. Now, I don't really prefer the wood trim. You know, it's not all that, but you know, the seats on this thing, the leather on the steering wheel, everything just looks right. And the paddles, it's like a titanium type material. It just feels really good to shift. And I mean, you can have 4 people in the back. There's nice space, nice headroom. You know, it checks out the list. And reason number 5 is the performance. So it's got 451 horsepower, around the same in torque. 0 to 60 happens in, and really this thing is quick. I'm gonna play a quick clip for you, me hitting some quick numbers real quick. So as you can see, man, this thing gets up to speed real nice. And really driving around town, and you know, if you need to make adjustments in traffic, it's real easy in this car. It's effortless. All right, and there you go. That's the 5 reasons why I absolutely love this car. Go ahead and drop a comment, some reasons why you like this car. Maybe I didn't include in the video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, check us out on Facebook, and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a nice day. Comfortable steering wheel. Check.
This is like a square bottom.
Yeah, it's kind of squared. I like it.
I like that.
It's small too.
Yeah.